Many people think gun ranges are men's-only clubs, but that's simply not true. Young men and women are filling up ranges every day. People from all ages, genders, and nationalities are giving gun ranges a try, many just looking to have fun with friends, and others looking into competitive shooting sports. Did you know shooting is a popular sport around the world? In fact, in recent Olympics, competitive shooter Kim Rhode became the only woman ever to medal in 6 consecutive Olympic Games. If you love thrills, skills, and competition, we're waiting for you.